Before you make a decision on buying generative AI software, there are 12 essential things you need to know. It's easy to get lost in the hype with so many options out there, but knowing these key points will help you make an informed decision. Stick with me, and I'll break it all down in a way that compares this software to other competitors in the space. First off, the biggest thing to understand is the simplicity factor. Many generative AI tools out there are clunky, with steep learning curves that waste time. Genju AI, on the other hand, is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. It automates essential business functions without the need for an expert to set up or maintain it. Next thing to consider, the scope of features. Most AI tools either offer a wide range of features, but at the cost of complexity, or a few features that are easy to use but lack depth. Genju AI strikes a perfect balance. From automating review acquisition to appointment booking and messaging, everything's handled seamlessly without the overwhelm. The third thing to keep in mind is cost. Generative AI software can quickly become expensive, especially if you're looking for something that scales with your business. Genju AI offers a 7-day free trial with no commitment or contracts, so you can try it out without a financial risk. Many competitors won't let you test their full functionality for free. The fourth thing is integrations. You want to ensure your software integrates smoothly with your existing tools. Genju AI offers native integrations with the most popular platforms, saving you time and effort. Some other generative AI tools are limited when it comes to seamless integration, which could force you to either compromise or switch tools. The fifth thing, reliability. You don't want software that crashes or glitches, especially if you're using it to handle critical business functions. Genju AI is known for its stability and reliability, ensuring smooth operations without downtime. Not all generative AI solutions deliver on this level of consistency. Sixth is scalability. As your business grows, so should your tools. Genju AI is built with growth in mind. It adapts to the evolving needs of your business, unlike many competitors that either become too expensive as you scale or too limited in functionality. Next, let's talk about customer support. When you run into issues, you want prompt and effective support. Genju AI provides excellent customer service with a focus on helping businesses succeed. Many competitors have limited support hours or slow response times, which can leave you stranded when you need help most. The eighth thing is customization. Whether you want to tailor your review acquisition or messaging system, Genju AI offers plenty of customization options. Many other platforms limit your ability to tweak settings to your exact needs, which could lead to a less personalized experience. Next, let's talk about automation. A lot of generative AI software focuses only on one aspect of automation, but Genju AI provides end-to-end automation, from reviews to invoicing. This streamlines your workflow in ways that other solutions often can't match. The 10th thing is security. With sensitive business data on the line, it's crucial to ensure your software is secure. Genju AI is built with top-tier security measures, protecting both your data and that of your customers. Some competitors fall short when it comes to robust security protocols, putting your business at risk. The 11th thing is the ability to track results. It's great to have automation, but you also need visibility into how well it's working. Genju AI provides detailed reports and analytics to help you measure performance. Many other tools offer minimal tracking, leaving you to wonder if your investment is paying off. And the final thing is ease of setup. Most generative AI software requires technical expertise to get started, but Genju AI is designed for quick, easy setup. You won't need a dedicated IT team to implement it. Other software might need significant configuration, which adds complexity and delays your business's ability to start benefiting from automation right away. So, should you buy Genju AI? It's definitely a solid option, especially with its simplicity, wide range of features, and affordability. But if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see how it stacks up for your needs.